For people who want pain relief without drugs or surgery, there is a new option. It's a laser that helps patients heal from the inside out. Here's KENS 5's Wendy Rigby to explain more.
Tell me what you're feeling down through the leg and the foot today.
A back injury from a car crash has been a source of pain and suffering for Tim Pierdola. He's seeking relief with a new device called the Light Cure LCT 1000, a deep tissue laser designed to help people with pain, injuries, surgery, and inflammation.
Honestly, I didn't think it would make that big of a difference that fast, and it really has.
The laser is designated Class 4. The makers say it works by flooding the tissue with photons that energize damaged cells, increase circulation, and promote healing.
It's a concentration of light at a certain wavelength, which is absorbed by tissues within the body, which stimulates events to produce healing. And tell me as soon as you start feeling the sensation.
Priscilla's getting over knee replacement surgery. She says the only sensation during treatment is a deep warmth, no pain. Most patients need between 4 and 12 treatments, usually performed on a daily basis. Tim has high hopes the laser might keep him on his feet.
I'm hoping that I can keep doing the treatments and not have to have surgery again.
The laser is FDA approved and has been in use for about a year now. Just another new weapon to fight chronic pain.
It's never one approach that solves the problem. It's trying to pick the pieces of the puzzle that work best for you.
Welcome back to 12T Health. I'm Dr. Derek De Silva. If you suffer from pain on a daily basis, you're not even close to being alone. An estimated 50 million Americans suffer from chronic pain each year. My next guest says it's time to stop chasing that pain. He's an advocate of what's called deep tissue pain relief laser therapy. Here to tell us how it works and if it might be right for you is Dr. Perry Nicholson, a chiropractor and owner of the Pain Laser Center in Ramsey. Also here is Diane Carrozza of Ramsey, who has found relief from her lower back and leg pain with the laser. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you very much, Doc.
So, Doc, let me start with you and ask the question, what do you mean by stop chasing pain?
It's a very good question. Most people who end up finding me for laser treatment are people that have suffered for a long period of time with chronic pain and maybe had some temporary relief from traditional therapies, but either stopped helping or they hit a plateau. So chasing pain to me means that usually your pain is where your problem ended up, not where it started. So what we do with laser, we're actually able to treat the painful area that has been damaged, but we also trace back where it may have originated from.
So when we talk about using lasers, you know, we use lasers in dermatology, we use lasers all over the place. How is this laser different than some of the cold lasers and the other lasers that are out there?
That's a great question, and this is actually a therapeutic laser. So people, when they hear laser, they automatically think about maybe surgical ones or the Austin Powers, laser
Right.
that's there.
Yeah.
So lasers do different things depending on what you're trying to do. So therapeutic lasers are designed to actually stimulate and regenerate your own body's healing capability.
How does it do that? How does that happen?
The light is basically...
And here's some video of exactly. Can you just tell us what you're doing?
I'm actually doing a treatment on an individual who had chronic neck pain from a disc herniation. They had it from an automobile accident, and the laser was extremely helpful for alleviating their chronic pain and the tingling and numbness they had down their arm.
So when you say regeneration, what does that mean?
Well, anytime you have pain in your body, you chemically damage cells in your body, and the cells have to repair for you to not have pain anymore. And light is life, so every living organism responds to light. So this heals by what's called photobiomodulation, very similar to photosynthesis for a plant. Once light hits the plant, you get new regeneration of plant life. The human cell does the same thing. So there's certain parts of your cell that are designed to react to this light, and it kickstarts and stimulates your own natural healing.
And it's a certain frequency of light that it responds to?
Yes, lasers do different things depending on what you want. So if I change the color of the light or the power of the light, then I could do surgery, for instance, or I could remove tattoos or hair removal. This is actually specifically designed in a spectrum to stimulate healing, and deep tissue means it goes all the way down to the cells of the body that are typically the most damaged, that you cannot reach with cold laser. That's the difference, because if you can't reach the cell to stimulate the heal, you won't get better.
What kind of a condition? You had neck and... I think I said neck and something and back. What did you have?
I had lower back pain due to 2 herniated discs, and I've also had chronic hip pain that Dr. Perry has treated over the last several years with great success.
And how did you have this? Was it trauma? Was it a motor vehicle accident? What happened?
The back, the herniated discs were due to trauma. I dance recreationally, and so the hip pain was chronic, and that was healed. But the disc trauma was the healing was greatly
And you've had
improved.
results with this, obviously.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we get into this? Can you just talk to us a little bit about this and what this is?
Sure,
you can
absolutely.
do a treatment on her real quick?
Yes, we will. This is actually the Light Force laser from Light Cure Medical, and this is a 15
you want to grab
watt,
that and do what you have to do?
deep tissue laser.
Okay.
So this
We have to put our glasses on?
Yeah, you need to put the glasses on for safety, because anytime you're around light, you need to protect your eyes.
Okay.
And then I'm actually going to demonstrate a treatment of working on her neck and her arm, of what we would do for someone who has maybe carpal tunnel.
Okay.
For instance,
Well, that was as you're talking, maybe just comment on what conditions this is good for. We've got about a little over a minute. So
yeah, I'm just going to treat for a little bit on here, and then so now the laser is working. You can hear it beeping, so you know it's engaged. And this is actually the only laser massage ball tip in the entire world. So you actually can get massage through a laser ball at the same time you get laser therapy. And basically, it can treat and help almost any musculoskeletal condition you can think of.
So we're talking about things like carpal tunnel syndrome, lower back pain that we had. I mean, what else?
Yeah, I've seen anything you can name. I've pretty much seen it over the course of the 10 years I've been using it. Disc herniations, neuropathy, arthritis.
Real quickly, because we're running out of time. How would you treat carpal tunnel syndrome, by the way?
Well, carpal tunnel syndrome, we definitely treat 2 different places all the time. We always treat centrally in the neck to help relax the nerve that actually goes down to your hand. And then we treat the actual carpal, the tunnel in the wrist itself, and then the nerve all the way up and down the arm.
How long does the treatment typically take?
Depends on what I'm treating, but the average one goes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes.
And pain? Is there any pain? Do you have any pain?
Oh, no, not at all. It feels good.
Yeah, no, it's a non-painful. It's actually very soothing, relaxing warmth, and this laser cannot cause any tissue damage to the body. And people will notice a significant and profound difference from just one treatment. After I'm done, they feel it.
Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for the great information.
Thank you.